Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I will be explaining you about mid function of Microsoft Excel. This function of Excel extracts characters from middle of that strings. This function extracts characters from middle of a string. We give a starting point and an end point from which and till which we want to extract the letters of string. Pardon me for the spelling mistakes. I'm saying I have made few mistakes in spelling. Formula for this function is given by equal to mid bracket starts string starting point and the end point till which we want to extract the characters. So here we are given first name and last name of sample data. So for first name we will extract letters from second position till fourth position. See how it goes. Equal to mid bracket starts string comma 2 comma fourth bracket closed. So from Amit we got MIT from second to fourth. Here we are going to extract characters from second letter to sixth letter. So the formula for this will be equal to mid string of last name comma 2 comma 6. Drag the formula till the end. Here we go. So hope you enjoyed the video and you have learned something from this. Thank you guys. If you enjoyed the video, if you learned something from this, then hit the thumbs up, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Enjoy the lockdown. Take care. Stay safe.